Welcome to the first episode of Fix or Repair Daily, featuring, shockingly, a Ford, the Fiesta that I bought. So basically I bought the car, it was spot on, nothing wrong with it, and then a couple of weeks later everything started falling to bits, typically. So this, I don't really know what this is, but basically it's got a noise that comes from the back end of the car. It's like a strange rattle. I thought it originally was the exhaust rattling, but we've since changed the exhaust. It's not the exhaust, although the back box had completely fallen to bits, possibly because the pop and bang map had exploded it, I don't know. But that rattled, so we changed that. It also moved massively on the hangers, so we've changed the rubbers. All the rubbers are brand new, so it's brand new exhaust, brand new rubbers. I mean, it moves a little bit, but not a lot. I'm still getting this weird rattling sort of clunking noise. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jack the car up and I'm going to investigate it. Hopefully, I say hopefully, but if it's something to do with the rear shocker, which is kind of what it sounds like, that's fair enough, because they're not exactly expensive to replace anyway. It sounds like it might be a strut top mount, I don't know, but I've got a strut top mount coming for it. There's also these little sort of like circular spring locators that go kind of underneath the chassis leg where your spring sits in. They disintegrate apparently, but it normally leaves a creaking sort of sound more than like a rattling sound, although it does have lowering springs, so maybe they're not quite tight, I don't know, but I don't think it's going to be that, but we're going to have a look at that as well. So of course it's the 21st of December and it's like 10 degrees outside really, but it is bitterly cold because of wind. It's incredibly windy, it's like 40-mile-an-hour gusts or something, so it's a perfect day to be doing this on a car. It may also chuck it down with rain, brilliant. So it's the only day I've got to do this before I need the car to go back to work, so just have to get on with it. So let's go jack it up and we'll see what happens. So that's the new exhaust, and I'm not gonna, this is the noise, but listen. That's probably the noise. Not really sure what I can do about that actually. Just brilliant, because it's a brand new rubber. Just check the rubber's still on, it must be on because it's not hanging down. I think the rubber's up that side, is it? Yes, that's I'm not sure what I can do about that. See, that's needs to sit over that way a little bit, but then might hit that as well. I reckon that's the noise. That was easy. Yeah, it's got to be that. It's got to be. So I need to make that sit further that way. So what I need to do is jack it up and rotate it around on the clamp ever so slightly. So great, let's get it jacked up anyway. Oh yeah, fully recommend a winter coat. This one's a Mitsubishi one, fantastic. Yeah, so jack it up. I'll try and rotate the back box around on the clamp, sorry. I only need to move the cross neck about a tiny bit, and then hopefully it won't wobble as much, but because it's only got one rubber, I'll show you underneath. I think I did on the exhaust, but it's only got one rubber on it. So kind of doesn't stabilise because the one rubber close to the back box and the other one's way further in, so that's a bit crap. Right, but anyway, let's try and shift this across a tiny bit. Right, so what we've done, it's night time now, but what we've done is, you can see there, we put zip ties around the rubber, stop it moving, because it won't be a flex. So this is just temporary until I get new rubbers, which are on the way, so hopefully this will stop it banging off the side, but won't know till tomorrow. What you can see, it doesn't move as much now. Still moves a little bit, but not as bad. It's a lot better than it was. So yeah, fix or repair daily, or later on in the night, because yeah, well, it rained. But yeah, toolbox. Let's hopefully do it for now for the fixes. Have a good look. Pretty Fords.